everyone, so welcome to Tutorials by David, and today we'll be having a step-by-step on how to connect Eero to Frontier router. Let's go. So listen up, to connecting an Eero mesh system to a Frontier router can be done in two main ways, depending on whether you want the Frontier router or Eero to handle your networking routing. So the easiest method is to use Eero in bridge mode. In this setup, you connect the Eero 1 port to a LAN port on the Frontier router, power it on, and enable bridge mode in the Eero app, which you can see on your app obviously. This allows the Eero to provide fast, reliable Wi-Fi while the Frontier router continues managing DHCP, NAT, and firewall functions, avoiding network conflicts. Alternatively, for users who want the Eero to be the primary router, the Frontier device must be set to bridge mode first. So you can do that also in your app. So this disables the routing and Wi-Fi, allowing the Eero to handle all network functions including DHCP, NAT, and device management. This approach improves mesh performance and gives you more control but requires careful setup to prevent issues like double NAT.